Hi there from Bugeye Guys. This is a special video about a special car. This is a car that we bought online at an auction several years ago, and we've been working on making it drivable again. It needed pretty much everything. And today I want to just take you for a ride in this. It's going off to its new home, to its new owner in the Midwest this week. We rebuilt that interior and all the mechanics, and I'm going to take you for a drive today with my dog Bodie on my lap and see if I can show you how much fun it was to put this together and how rewarding it was. It's a 948 race engine, and we were specifically working on making this into a land speed record car, which has now been tabled temporarily, turned the car into a street car for now. It has a 5-speed transmission and a race engine. Specifically under 1 liter, we were working on producing the fastest possible 1 liter engine we could for this record attempt. But in midstream, we just sort of were given instructions to make it into more of a street car, and that's what we've done. And now we have an unusual hybrid, which is kind of a race street car, and our goal in this final phase was to make it as user-friendly as possible. And that's the turn signal there. So we have to put in all the road lights and everything else, of course. Now this is, being a race engine, is really coming on the cam above 3,000 RPMs, and you should be able to hear it. Yeah, between 3,000 and 5,000 RPMs is really where this thing comes alive, and that's what makes it so much fun. Then you add the right-hand drive experience, which is just very entertaining. And you also add no windscreen. This little plastic screen is kind of cool and sleek, and then you have great handling and new tires, new suspension, disc brakes in the front, all kinds of modifications that we've sort of gathered from our 400 Bugeyes that we've built. And a period, nice looking wood steering wheel, and you put it all together and you end up with something that is just a very unique, one-of-a-kind Bugeye with Gulf livery, and it's just a super cool machine. And I'm just, that center switch by the key is the headlights if you're unfamiliar, so I'm putting on the lights to test them and also to be a little more visible. We have driving lights on the front as well for daytime running lights. And all in all, what we've done here is we've taken pretty much a wreck where everything was worn and restored all of it. We've made it so that it'll go very fast if need be, on the highway or on a speed trap, but we've also made it into something that's a lot of fun to drive around town in a one-of-a-kind sports car that has a lot of heritage attached to it. And because it's such a delightful ride with new suspension, it's so pleasant to drive this thing. It's one of the cars that I'm particularly proud of and happy to call a genuine build. Thanks for coming for a drive today at Bugeye Guys.